Hey everyone, I just want to tell you about a workshop that I attended. It is with LiveSotori, so if you ever heard of it, go and Google it. Um, the workshop focused a lot on mindset, which I usually struggle with because I begin things very quickly, but then I tend to lose my faith in what I'm doing if I don't see results coming through. So mindset is an extremely important component of what this workshop was dealing with. And then it went further into ways to generate money. And what Junior did was to just go through the whole process, showed you online in the classroom what he's doing, the things to consider while he's showing you the platforms that he's using, and then also tell you what to look for and what to use as a guide to make decisions when you actually go in and have a look at the different things that you can make money with. So for me personally, I couldn't attend day 2 due to other commitments, but it enticed me enough to sign up for the Earn While You Learn program. So I am very excited for what I'm about to learn, and I definitely recommend anyone who is interested in knowing what the program potentially could be to attend the 2-day workshop and to see for yourself why this is so different. So I hope to see you in the community, and I hope to become family. Cheers.